Good everyone, Constance231 here, and welcome to a Geoboard video where today I'll be making cool patterns with Geoboard.
And I can help because I know of a lot of cool things.
No, I've pre-thought of these patterns.
Okay.
So we're going to use yellow, make an X out of yellow. Then we're going to use red, make a line out of red. Light blue, make a line out of light blue. And yeah, that's cool.
No, it's not.
And then we're going to use any color.
In this case, you're using white. And any color, basically.
I did this bit wrong. This needs to be it. And there we go. That's cool.
It's trippy. My mind is good.
It's trippy. That's what it is. Am I even filming? I better be filming. Good. Anyway, now we're going to do a long thing. It'll look cool in the long run. I've done this before, so I know I can do it. Take a while. Be hard. So this is basically like a tutorial on how I make my cool pants. I don't use this that much.
Alright, turn it off.
Need it.
Turn it off now.
Okay, so basically what you want to do is just continue that one layering down stupid triangle thingy pattern over and over across this. And now, since we stopped using this car, now we use this car, put it there, then we make the top line. Then we go back to white, make another line. Yellow, make another line. Orange, make another line. Red, make another line. Light blue light blue or blue. I think that's just cyan or something. Light blue, I think this is light blue, I'm colorblind. This green looking color, which I just lost. Gray. And white. There we go. That is a cool pattern using the rectangle. It's pretty cool. It's also kind of trippy. Now I'm going to do this. It's a bit hard, but and short. So basically, if you put the top on any of these pins, then they automatically zoom to the center. So by using that as our advantage, okay. Now the hard bit that I have not figured out how to do is, so we know how to do this bit, so you place it down again, then you make like a line leading to that. Then we use that color, place it down, that. You get the idea? Good, now try all of these patterns for yourself while I'm doing this. Are you trying them? If you're not, then I'll be annoyed. Then back to white. Yellow. Orange. Red. Okay. Now I need to figure out how to fill in these. How do I fill these in? Boy knows how. Do I use the paint bucket? I know that there's a paint bucket. probably yelling at the screen. How do I do this? Where's the paint bucket option? I know there's a paint bucket option. I've used it before, and I've seen you, Geoboard, use it. Oh, that's how. See, all you want to do is select these, click, like in the middle, but to the right, click that. And just keep on. So hard. Yeah, just do this. Much quicker. There we go, that's a cool color wheel. So there's this, which is still trippy. This rectangle. That's not a rectangle, that's a circle. Rectangle, which is cool, like checker. I imagine if you print this out, you can make it as like a checkerboard or something. If you like enlarge it or something, I don't know. And that. Question of the day, what game should I play next? Make sure you have this thing on or you can't see. That can be like an alarm, that'd be cool. Question of the day, what game should I play next? Yeah, answer in the comment section down below. Oh, how to use Geoboard. I'm mad. That'll have to be the end of this video. Hope you enjoyed it. Like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon. And I will see you all in the next video. Goodbye. No. Yes.